Hey everyone, welcome back to Hello English Podcast. I'm Helen.
And I'm John. Today we'll give you 10 small phrases that make you sound natural, like a native.
They're short, friendly, and work in daily life. At work, with friends, or while traveling.
We'll explain, show a tiny dialogue, and you'll repeat after us. Ready?
Phrase 1. Sounds good. Meaning, you agree with a plan. It's casual and friendly.
Use it for plans, times, or suggestions. Intonation is easy. Fall a little on good.
Mini dialogue.
Let's meet at 6.
Sounds good.
Common mistake, saying only okay. Better sounds good.
Repeat. Sounds good. Sounds good to me.
Phrase 2. No worries, meaning it's fine, don't stress. Very common in casual English.
Use it after thanks or a tiny problem.
Mini dialogue.
Sorry I'm late.
No worries.
Tip. Keep it light. Smile in your voice.
Repeat. No worries. No worries at all.
Phrase 3. Makes sense. Meaning, I understand, that's logical.
Great in work chats or when someone explains.
Mini dialogue.
Will ship on Monday to avoid delays.
Makes sense.
Mistake, saying I understand every time. Vary it. Makes sense.
Repeat. Makes sense.
Phrase 4. Got it, meaning I received, understand the info. Short and clear.
Use after instructions, messages, tasks.
Mini dialogue.
Send the file by noon.
Got it.
Tip. A small drop on it sounds natural.
Repeat. Got it. Got it. Thanks.
Phrase 5. Fair enough. Meaning, I accept your point, even if you don't 100% agree.
Good for soft agreement in discussions.
Mini dialogue.
Let's keep it simple this time.
Fair enough.
Mistake, using fine. Fair enough sounds kinder.
Repeat. Fair enough.
Phrase 6. By the way, meaning smooth topic change or an extra point.
Keep it gentle. Small pause after the comma.
Mini dialogue.
Let's finish this page. By the way, can you send me the link?
Sure.
Mistake. Jumping topics with no signal. Use by the way.
Repeat. By the way. By the way, quick question.
Phrase 7. Actually, meaning a gentle correction or different view.
Soften it with warm tone. Actually, I booked it for Tuesday.
Mini dialogue.
So we meet on Monday?
Actually, Tuesday works better.
Mistake. Sounding sharp. Smile in your voice. Keep it calm.
Repeat. Actually, I meant Tuesday. Phrase 8. Let me think. Let me check. Meaning, buy time, stay natural. Use with a tiny pause and softer tone.
Mini dialogue.
Can you do it at 5 p.m.?
Let me check. Yes, that works.
Mistake. Long silence. Say something. Let me think. Repeat. Let me think. Let me check. Phrase 9. Just to be clear. Meaning, polite clarification to avoid confusion. Helpful. Great before deadlines, meetings, directions. Mini dialogue.
We start at 9.
Just to be clear, is that 9 a.m.?
Mistake. I don't understand. Better. Just to be clear.
Repeat. Just to be clear. Phrase 10. That works. Meaning, that's acceptable. Good for me. Use for time, place, plan confirmation. Mini dialogue. Coffee at 10?
That works.
Mistake. Always okay. Try, that works. Repeat. That works. That works for me. Fast recap. Say them with us. Sounds good. No worries. Makes sense. Got it. Fair enough. By the way, actually, let me think. Let me check. Just to be clear, that works. Confidence beats perfection. Use one phrase today, and tomorrow use 2.
Keep sentences short. Keep tone friendly. And let your smile lead your English.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It really supports our cozy podcast.
Thanks for listening, and keep sounding more natural every single day.
See you next time.